G'day guys, David Wills here again. Just want to say a big thank you for subscribing. Now there are a few things to pay attention to so that you don't miss out on anything we're doing over here at proaudioEXP. First thing, you want to check and make sure that you have that little bell icon selected so YouTube knows to ping your feed with any new videos that we come out. The button is over by the subscribe button, so please check that now. Secondly, did you check out all the resources in our Backstage Toolkit? It's my personal stash of tools that I've curated over the last few decades of working all over the world with Michael and Whitney. You'll have access to my personal EQ cheat sheet here. We also have a live sound checklist, a mixing tips, a compression chart, the 5 audio principles you gotta know report. I love that report. And also some interviews with some of my Grammy award-winning friends in LA and Nashville. You can grab your copy at backstagetoolkit.com or just click on the link on this page and I will see you on the inside. Ciao for now.